little pilots. Welcome to the sky. Today, we're learning about air vehicles. Planes, helicopters, hot air balloons, and so many more. Strap in. We're ready to fly. Let's go!
Up in the sky, way up high, air vehicles zoom as they fly. Whoosh in the world, fast or slow. Come on kids, let's learn and go. Airplanes fly across the land, strong metal wings on each side stand. Engines roar, whoosh in the air, carrying people everywhere. Big jumbo jets or tiny planes, flying through clouds, sunshine, rain. Pilots steer with steady hands, taking us across many lands. Helicopters spin with whir, whir, whir. Round big blades begin to stir. They rise straight up from the ground, making a smooth humming sound. They help in rescue, help in storms, fly to places with tough terrains. Up and down they quickly glide, heroes of the sky they ride. Hot air balloons float snow and bright, colored stripes, such lovely sight. They rise gently, soft and tall, like floating bubbles, big and small. Fire warms the balloon so wide, up it goes for a peaceful ride. People wave from high above, sky journeys filled with joy and love. Gliders fly with no loud sound, silently sliding around and around. They spread their wings and smoothly sway, dancing with the wind all day. Paragliders float like birds so free, over mountains, hilltops, sea. Colorful wings and fearless flight, a soft, slow dance in morning light. Rockets blast with fiery power, shooting high each second hour. Up past clouds, past stars they race, zooming straight into outer space. Astronauts wave from the sky so far, living in stations near the stars. Spacecraft glide where comets roam, making the universe feel like home. More amazing air vehicles. Seaplanes land on lakes so blue, splashing water as they cruise through. Drones fly small with buzzing wings, taking pictures of many things. Cargo planes carry heavy loads, helpful friends on sky-high roads. Air ambulances rush to care, saving lives from up in the air. Dirt vehicles, big and small, high above or near the fall, each one special in its way.